So if you have a BioPress, Oase BioPress 4000, 6000 series, this is a 6000, you'll probably find it hard to find a video that shows you how to change the UV bulb on this particular model. So I thought I'll make one, as I've just discovered how to change over the bulb, which I'm going to do now. So you need your bulb, a Phillips screwdriver and some gloves, because you don't want to handle the bulb with your bare fingers because it'll blow on you. And this video is to show you how easy it is to change over the bulb. So I'll try my best to do this one-handed, but you need to lift the blue lever to remove the cover, which just slots out like so. This will be even easier when you're doing it with two hands instead of holding the camera. And then you'll see the power unit with your power lead going into it, and this whole thing twists and pulls out. You want to twist the power unit anti-clockwise to remove it, like so, and then it whole unit pulls out, and then you'll see the glass, which you want to get yourself a cloth and clean up. And the screw, if you can see the screw there, that's what you need to undo to remove the glass cover to get to the old bulb. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to put my gloves on to start with. Get them right around. I mean, you can just use a cloth to handle the bulb, but I think it's easier if you can get yourself a pair of gloves. Like so. And get yourself a cloth. Just give the glass a little bit of a clean up. Okay, so once it's cleaned up, like so, you need to get your Phillips screwdriver and undo that screw there, which we'll do now. Without dropping it in the pond. Okay, it doesn't actually come right out the screw, which is good to save you losing it in the pond. And then you just twist this section off. You see the screw thread, and this comes out. So if you like me, give it a little bit of clean up as well. Okay, so the glass cover should just pull out at this point, like so, exposing the bulb. You take note of how the bulb goes in, and just hope you've purchased the right bulb. Now these bulbs aren't cheap. This was well, if you buy the actual Oase mate, I think it's about £17–18. This one was £6.50, I think. You watch, it won't fit now. It looks different in a way, but we'll see. Away with that. So just pull and you pull the old bulb out and compare the fittings. Now they look the same. I don't know if I can get that in shot properly. They look the same fitting. This is just a rubber cover, so you can remove that like so, he says. Yeah, just pops off the rubber cover, and you can see it's burnt out by the black. And then just pop the same rubber cover back on like so. Now we just want to place it back in, lining up the pins until you hear it click like so, and then put your black sleeve on, push it in, trying to do this so you can get it in front. You can see what I'm doing. Until you hear it. There's a little washer in it, so you need to hear that sort of click into place. Like so. Then that goes over the top and screws down. Lining it up with where you're going to screw it back into. And I think this, when it's screwed in, forces the seal to make it watertight. Obviously you're disconnecting the pump from the electricity. Being electric and water, the two don't really mix. What you're trying to do is close the gap so it gets a good seal. Give it another wipe off. Now you've replaced your bulb, giving the glass cover a clean up. You want to replace it back into its holder. So that sticky up notch there needs to fit into that there. If you can see it, that there, that groove. And there is arrows to show you the direction. Is there? No, there isn't. Sorry. So yeah, place that in. As I say, it's hard to do it with with one hand. So you line it up there and twist. Easier said than done first time round. That's it. And twist. Hear it click then. Okay, so then just get yourself a bit of an absorbent sponge or something and sponge out the excess water that comes out around the edge. So I'll do that now. So just get your absorbent towel in there and soak up the excess. You ideally want that to be dry, but you can't help it. It just pulls water out when you pull the unit out. So I'm just going to put you down for this bit because it's a bit boring. So I've removed the excess water the best I can. and just replace the cover. And when we turn it back on, observe the little light there to show it's all working, but you probably will need to repressurize the unit, like pumping the handle. This is actually easier to do it with two hands. I try it. You have to lift the handle and slot that in and make sure the cable goes back in its little groove. So, moment of truth. Let's turn the unit back on. And let's see, you don't have to even, seems to be working without even pumping the handle. And can we see a light? Yep, there's a light. So that is how easy it is to change the bulb on a Oase BioPress 6000 filter unit with one hand and the other hand holding the camera. So guys, I hope you find this video useful, because when I looked online to try and find one for this exact unit, I couldn't find it, and it really is a simple process. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back with some more useful content. Bye for now.